In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can automatically save your story on Instagram, which means the moment I upload a story, I want it to be saved on my phone's gallery automatically. So there is a setting which you guys have to turn on for that. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. So first thing first, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right. Once you're inside your profile, then you want to click on the three line at the top. Once you click on the three line, which is also known as the hamburger menu, click on where it says settings. And once you're inside setting, you can see this option called the privacy. It's the fourth option. Click on privacy. And inside privacy, since we want to autosave our story, we want to click on story. Now, once we click on story, it's going to bring us to the story setting. Over here, scroll a bit down and you can see this option called saving. And this option where it says save story to camera roll, it's turned off, which means my story is not going to be saved on my camera roll when it's uploaded. I have to manually do it. To autosave it, just turn this on. Once you turn this on, you can just upload a story. So I'm going to upload a story real quick. So I'm going to click on this little button at the top, click on story, and I'm just going to click a random photo and upload it to my story just like this. Once the photo is uploaded just like this, so let's see if it is uploaded. It's uploading. Once the uploading is complete, I can go inside my gallery. As you guys can see, it's available in my gallery just like this. It has been auto-saved. So that's how you guys can automatically save stories on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.